Hi friends, this video is related to part 11 question series of Indian polity, very important MCQs. This video contains only questions. You can receive answers in the next upcoming videos. So please examine yourself by commenting answers in the comment box. Let us start the questions. The first Indian to become the Controller and Auditor General of India was A. C.D. Deshmukh, B. A. Bakshi, C. C.V. Narahari Rao, D. Dr. John Mattai. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The Rajya Sabha was first constituted on A. 3rd April 1952, B. 13th May 1952, C. 1st January 1953, D. 2nd April 1954. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The first Governor General of Free India was A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Wavell, D. Lord Linlithgow. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of the members of A. The Rajya Sabha, B. The Lok Sabha, C. The State Legislative Assembly, D. Both Houses of Parliament. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The Prime Minister of India who did not face the Union Parliament was A. Morarji Desai, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Charan Singh, D. Rajiv Gandhi. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. Which one of the following determines that the Indian Constitution is federal? A written and rigid constitution, B. An independent judiciary, C. Vesting of residual powers with the center, D. Distribution of powers between the center and the state. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. Which of the following articles describes about the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizen? A. Article 5, B. Article 7, C. Article 8, D. Article 9. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The chairman of the Legislative Council is A. Appointed by the governor, B. The governor ex officio, C. Elected by the members of the Legislative Council from among themselves, D. Appointed by the Speaker of the Assembly. Okay friends, I am closing this series now. If you want any subject MCQs like this, please comment, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.